Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, I'm here at the Alta Sunset Heights, and I wanted to show off the area here just a little bit. I always walk around just so you can see what it looks like, the apartment Alta Sunset Heights. So this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. You can see the apartment is gorgeous. It's very recently built. They don't have every apartment filled up yet for the first time. It's in kind of new apartment mode, if you would. This is the area itself. This is the Heights. This is the Greater Heights, by the way. So the Greater Heights looks like this. It's more of a neighborhood feel. It feels really kind of private, actually, in this area. It's also deceivingly close to the highway. The highway is just this direction, just a tad, and you are on the highway which splits the Greater Heights and the Lower Heights. So the Greater Heights is where a lot of recent grads have gone to. So if you're a recent grad, you're going to want to be checking this out and other apartments in the Heights, because this, when they say the Heights, it's typically the Greater Heights that they're talking about. Now, what I might recommend is checking out this area, checking out this apartment, and doing a tour that we have where we can set up basically a Heights tour. So you can see 3 to 4, 5 Heights apartments, Greater and Lower Heights, in one day. We would love to set that up for you. It's free. We can take care of it right now. My number's below. You can just send me a text and say hi if you have questions about the Heights. Or if you just want to go ahead and set up that tour, we'll take care of it for you. By the way, we can do that tour by virtual, by your phone, or live, and it's always free. So go ahead and send that request in, and I'll take care of that for you right away. Hey, now we're going to go inside, and we're going to go look at some of these amenities inside. You're going to love it. Let's go inside right now.